Okay, number one here is testing a pretty standard, very important idea for math in general. It's just how do rates work, right? So 1 pound of grapes costs $2. At this rate, how many dollars will C pounds of grapes cost? Well, if each pound cost $2, then I would just multiply the number of pounds I have by $2. So 2 times C is 2C. That's the whole question. You don't really need to do much else other than just understand how these things work. But if you're watching this video, it's because you were probably confused and didn't understand that, so I want to give you another way, and that's going to be to use our arithmetize strategy. Because if you go to the grocery store, you're probably not buying C pounds of grapes. You're probably buying, let's say, 3 pounds of grapes. So if I had 3 pounds of grapes, right, and I'm making that number up, but if I had 3 pounds of grapes, then I'd say, oh, okay, $3 or 3 pounds times $2 a pound would be $6 for that number of grapes. And so with the arithmetize strategy, what we're doing is we're picking a number to stand in place of this variable so that we can better understand the story and think about it the same way we would think about it in the real world. And so which choice now gives me 6? That's going to be choice A, right? That's 2 times our value for C, which was 3. So 2 times 3 is in fact 6. In the wrong answers, 2 plus 3 is 5, so 5 is not 6, that goes away. 2 over 3 is 2/3, that's not 6. And 3 over 2 is 1.5, so that doesn't work either. Hopefully you do not need to know how to do that for this question, you just kind of know it, because this idea does come up on all sorts of places. Anytime we're dealing with lines, linear equations, linear models, we're using this exact same rule, the idea of a rate. And that multiplication and rates kind of go together. So make sure you understand this. It's going to come up again and again throughout your SATs and just throughout pretty much any math class you take.